Welcome to our tutorial on how to submit a co-curricular activity. In this video, we will review how to submit a reflection for your co-curricular activity requirement in honors at Mesa Community College. By the end of our time together, you should also know how to upload your proof of attendance and how the grading process works. Let's begin. Open your preferred web browser. Go to mesacc.edu. Locate the Canvas link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Log in with your full MEID and password. You will be prompted for a Duo push notification for authentication of login. From your dashboard, select your honors course, MCC President's Honors Class for PHS students, or MCC Honors Achievement Award for HAA participants. Assignments from the menu on the left, and locate the co-curricular activity for the term that you're participating. President's Honors Scholarship recipients need to complete 2 co-curricular activities per semester, and Honors Achievement Award participants need to complete 1 co-curricular activity per semester. Now we will give an example of what the co-curricular activity is like. Read the instructions carefully. The quiz clearly defines the expectations of the co-curricular activity. Instructions are posted at the top of the quiz for reference as you're completing the assignment. Beginning with question 1. This is where you input the date, the name, and the location of your co-curricular activity. You will need to specify if your activity was on campus, off campus, or virtual in question number 2. In question number 3 is where you specify the category of co-curricular activity. There is a list of activity types in the question for you to choose from. Don't just guess. Question number 4 is where you upload your proof of attendance. You will select Choose File. Have your proof of attendance titled something noticeable, like last name, first name, proof of attendance, and the name of the event, and then select Open. This adds your image, PDF, or screenshot to the quiz. Finally, question number 5 is where you write your 250-word reflection about your event. All written requirements are listed in the question. Read and answer the questions thoroughly to guarantee receiving all 5 points for the quiz. There is also a word counter included to help you make sure you reach your word count. Once completed, select Submit Quiz. The honors directors have the right to ask you to resubmit if they feel that you did not answer any of the questions completely or that you are too vague on your reflection. Canvas automatically grades the quiz upon submission. You may receive a grade that is less than the 5 out of 5 points when you hit submit. The directors review each quiz after the due date and give you a final grade. If you have received less than a 5 out of 5 after the directors review your quiz, you may be asked to make changes or attend another event. Details for submission will be posted into the quiz comments for you to address. This concludes our video on how to submit the co-curricular activity quiz for your honors requirement at Mesa Community College. For additional questions, or if you're unsure of which scholarship program you are participating in, please return to mesacc.edu/honors to review the scholarship descriptions, requirements, and view additional how-to videos about our program. Thank you.